everyone, it's Stephanie from Glitterful. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're looking to learn fun and easy glitter tumbler designs and DIY crafts, start today by subscribing to my channel below. Become that glitterholic and click that notification bell to always know when I upload. Alrighty, so if you are new or looking at doing cups, you've probably heard of the Tack It method over and over. This has taken the craft community by storm. So I'm actually going to show you how to do something a little bit different with it. We're going to we're going to do a zebra Tack It method. Okay, so zebra tumbler design using the Tack It method. And I'm super excited to show you what that is like. So you're going to need the Alina's Tack It over and over, a soft bristle brush, just your normal weeding tools, scissors, a scraper nearby, and I'm going to be using our Glitterful Tin Man Ultra Fine, so it has like that silvery holographic. And again, this is from our collection at Glitterful. A prepped tumbler, and you can, if you don't know how to properly do this, check out my tutorial. I'll have that right there at the top. You can check that out, and I'll also have the description in the link below. Okay, so I have printed out, I've already cut, I'm moving all my stuff to the side. I've already cut my zebra design on my Cricut, using my Cricut design space, and I just pull that up. I just put zebra in the image portion of Cricut design space, and it was a part of my Cricut Access. So I'm not going to put you guys through the headache of watching me do this, but what I'm going to do is use my transfer tape and get my zebra vinyl onto the cup, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I laid down my vinyl. Couple things for you to know. When I do things that like vinyl pieces that I know I'm going to lift up, I don't really care about having like some air pockets like I have here. I also am not worried about the trimmings because this is not going to be relevant. I'm going to now take my cup outside. I'm going to use a matte black krylon, and then we'll be back. So I'm going to spray this down and we'll work on our next step. Be right back. All right guys, so then once you've done your black spray paint over this, you're going to see that now you're like, okay, what are you going to do? So what I do is I actually I lift my vinyl pieces. So, and that's why I was like, I don't really care about the air pockets, and I don't need a glue, like a glue piece over this, because I can see where my vinyl is. So you're just going to lift up all your vinyl pieces, and you're pretty much doing kind of, you're doing a peekaboo method at this point, because you're lifting all your vinyl pieces up. And so this is what you should see. So be very cautious and careful when you're lifting the vinyl pieces, because you don't want to scratch the surface around. You just want to lift your vinyl pieces. So you're going to need a really good tweezer to do this, but you want to be careful, and it gives you a really nice look, crisp edge. So let's go ahead and do this all throughout our vinyl. All throughout our cup, excuse me, I'm getting tongue twisted. Doing this all throughout the cup, and we'll have our cup completely vinyl free, and then we'll be back. All right, there you have it guys. We went ahead and pulled all of our vinyl pieces. So this is what your cup should look like. Craziness, right? How cool is that? So to those that don't know what the Tack It over and over method is, it is a tacky it's actually supposed to be for fabric glue, so for like upholsteries and borders and things like that. So it's actually super tacky once you apply it. And you're gonna see that people say, hey, you need the Mod Podge brush, like soft bristle brush. No, you don't. Buy yourself a dollar store pack of Wet n Wild brushes. This is what it looks like. I use the bigger brush for this. They come in like a 4-pack. Let me see off bat. I have like this little small one. They're really awesome. They're $1. Save yourself the money. So this is what I use. And after time, they do become a little bit like you can see I still have some glue on there. What I do is I grab like these little brushes that have like the small bristles, and I just brush it out so that it still becomes as soft, and it kind of picks up any of that little residue. And this stuff on here, like this glitter, can be cleaned with like some little bit of acetone, but I'm not going to wet my brush right now, and this stuff is stuck on pretty good, so it's not going to affect or transfer over to what I'm doing right now. But that's what you do to liven up your brush, guys. No need to spend more money. That's what I'm all about. So all right, so I'm going to be using my gloves for this portion of it because you are going to have to get your hands dirty. I'm going to leave my wand on my cup, and I am going to be pouring the glue directly onto there. You want to also have a piece of paper nearby, so when you're ready to capture your glitter, it's there in front of you. So the cool thing about this method is, what it basically is, oops, I gotta shake that up a little bit. Sorry guys, shake it up. I haven't used it in a little bit, so it's okay. What this method and why it's taken our community by storm is because it allows your glitter to lay super flat, and it gives this almost like hollow and halo look to your cups, and it's really, really cool. And you do it by using this and by using your hands. Typically when we add glitter, glitter tends to sit on top of it, so it kind of stands. I'm gonna move this to the side for a second. It sticks to this, it stands up on your glitter, on your cup, excuse me, woo, on your cup. So this method, you're actually pushing the glitter to lay flat. So it's a completely different look to it, and it gives a really nice richness to your cup. And I'm absolutely in love. I've been trying to, I did it with my washi tape tutorial as well, so I'll have that video for you to look at. It's really, really cool. So this method is so much fun. It's so quick too, because you don't need much epoxy afterwards to get this fully covered and ready to go. So it's a really awesome type of design to do. So I wanted to show you guys how to do it because I don't have a video of how to do this method, but I wanted to bring it to you a little bit differently to show you how you can do a design underneath, do this effect, and have an awesome, cool design. And there you go. You kill some time there by having this done. And if you wanted to add a name at the end, you would be completely ready to, this cup will be one coat and done. That's how fast this design is. So pretty cool. All right, so you don't need much, but you do need even strokes. The thing that makes this design go is that it has to be tacky glue. So we want it to work, right? So we're gonna add some heat to this cup by using my Wagner heat gun. You guys can see, and I'm gonna put it on my lowest setting, and I'm going to give this a little bit of heat so that we can bring that tackiness a little bit more. And you want to do it until, right now I see kind of like a blue overlay, so I can see my glue. And you want to do this until you don't see any more of that glue color, okay? Because that's how you know that it's kind of drying. You don't want it dry, but you want it tacky, right? So it's in the cross in between. And you can touch, put your finger on it and touch. It's kind of sticking onto you. That's exactly what you want. Nothing more, just enough, okay? So this is the fun part. And I'm using my glove because it's glue, so it's still gonna get stuck to you, all right? So you're gonna open up whatever holographic glitter. You can even do this with color shifting. It's so cool. It does something wonderful, especially if you're doing it on a black base. So as you can see, I'm not using any other color other than the stainless steel and the black overlay, right? And the black color. I have a straggling piece of glitter here. All right, so now you're just gonna go ahead and add your glitter of choice. I'm gonna turn this around so I can make sure I capture my glitter, okay? And like I said, you wanna make sure that your glue is tacky. You don't want it dry, but you want it tacky. So having even strokes and ensuring its tackiness is going to give you this beautiful halo effect, okay? Which is what you're looking for. But we're kicking it up a notch by adding a design underneath, okay? And I'm choosing a zebra. I don't know, I just thought this would be perfect. Show underneath, so. All right, so if you're looking at this cup right now, you're like, okay, well, I don't know what you're talking about. Beautiful glitter, but what do you try to get at, right? So this is what we're used to seeing. I think I may need a second layer here. Nope, pretty good. Okay. Tap, 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 tap. Making sure I can let go of all of this. Capture all my glitter so I can put it back in my bag, except for that. And you're like, Steph, this is what it looks like. Yeah, you're right. This is what we are used to seeing. So for this method, you're gonna need a little bit of finger grease here. And what you're doing is, if you can see, it's standing up. This is what we're used to, but we want this beautiful halo flat effect. So you're just gonna go onto your cup and on top of your glitter, and you're going to rub your glitter off. Weird, right? But you're rubbing it off, and you can already start to feel the flatness of your glitter, and every excess is coming off. You don't need much, but you do need some finger grease there. Take a look, and you can already start to see the difference. See, take a look at that from this, that from this. And you can see your beautiful design underneath. See, take a look at that. And you're gonna keep rubbing this off, guys. Let's do this around the entire cup. Rub, rub, rub. All right, guys, so there you have it. Take a look at that. So this design, this is what it does. It creates this hollow, rainbow, beautiful flat lay of your glitter. And so when I was rubbing, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I kept coming to my sides, and I just wanted to make sure that every area was laid flat. And you would be able to, if you put your cup at an angle, one, you'll be able to see, and two, you'll be able to feel where maybe something wasn't laying as flat. And if you wanted to do a second coat, you absolutely could. I'm not going to, because I love the fact that you could see the zebra design underneath, and that's exactly what I wanted. I really wanted that undertone in there. So this is my zebra design. I'm gonna go ahead and put this under epoxy, okay? This doesn't need much. I'm probably gonna be using maybe 15 ml total just to get this beauty covered. All right, stay tuned. Hey guys, all right, so there you have it. This is your zebra design using the Tack method. A very simple design to do. I am not sure what I want to do with this yet. If I want to put a decal on it, or if I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, see if one of my friends wants it and put a name on it. So excited about this. And you could do this with absolutely anything. I just chose to do a zebra design so that it can really peer through. The color that I used over this to create this holographic look was Tin Man, which is an ultra fine in our collection at glitterful.com. So please guys, let me know how you like this video. If you have any suggestions of any other videos that you'd like to see, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to join us on Facebook at Glitterful Glitter Fanatics and follow us on Instagram and Facebook as well. It was so wonderful to have you all here today. You guys have a glitterful day. Bye.